Hello everyone, welcome. Welcome to web programming. We just have started Java programming for beginners. In the previous video tutorial, we have learned how we can download and install Java software in our computer and how we can download and install Eclipse IDE. Today, we are going to learn how we can create a Java project. To create a Java project, we need an IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. Before I show you how we can start a Java project or create a Java project, let me tell in a brief what is the channel about. The channel is all about computer programming. We can learn here Python programming from beginning to advanced level. We can practice together whatever we learn, Java, Python, JavaScript, and all other programming languages. And you can get a complete guideline on web development, both front end and back end. Right? Then we just started Java programming for beginners, and this tutorial is going to become the second tutorial. And we can also learn JavaScript programming from beginner level to advanced level. Then we can learn here also front-end web development. After we complete front-end web development, then we will be starting back-end development too. And those who are interested in advanced programming or bootcamp, like bootcamp for Python full stack, Java full stack, Ruby on Rails, and MinStack, data science, you can click here. And if you use this link to get enrolled in the bootcamp, you will get $500 discount. Not a jokes, right? Okay, fine. Without further ado, let's see how we can create Java project. To create a Java project, open Eclipse IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. Okay, I have three Java projects in the Project Explorer. Okay, to create a new Java project, what do we have to do? Yes, we have to click on File, and then go to New, then click on Java project. Okay, just click and create a Java project. Enter a project name. We have to enter a project name here. Project name will be always it can be both in actually small cap or capital cap. I will name it Java for beginners. Okay, then just click on next and click on finish, and I will say don't create, and Java for beginners is just here. Okay, what do we have? We have Java for Beginners Java project. And inside the project, we have, by default, we have JRE system library. And inside the system library, we have a lot of Java library, Java classes. Okay, and we have also source folder. This is an empty source folder. And inside the source folder, I can create a package and it will be a Java package. Okay, we have learned how we can create a Java project. That's all about Java project. Inside the Java project, we have JRE system library, and we do have source folder. Okay, and inside the source folder, we will have package. We have to create Java package, and inside the package, we can create Java file. That's all for today. In the next video series, we will learn how to create a Java package. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next session.